Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Stellar from Gemini to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your Stellar tokens between these popular exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Kraken. Log into your Gemini account and head over to the wallet section. You'll need to select Stellar from your list of assets. Now, this is crucial. Get the exact wallet address from your Kraken account. Go to Kraken, navigate to your deposit page, and find the Stellar deposit address. Copy that address carefully. Mistakes here could send your tokens into the void. Back on Gemini, click on the Withdraw option for Stellar. Paste in the Kraken wallet address, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the network fees. Stellar uses the Stellar network, so ensure you're selecting that. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Don't skip verifying this step. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Kraken and check your account to see when the Stellar arrives. If everything goes smoothly, your tokens should show up, and you're good to go. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, to avoid any surprises. In 2025, crypto regulations might have evolved, so keep an eye on any exchange-specific rules. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.